Hello, my name is Inga Bailey, owner and operator of Inga Bailey Brows, located in Atlanta, Georgia, and your eyebrow expert. I'm so pleased to finally be able to announce the launch of Inga Bailey Brows Academy, which is an academy based off of the Inga Bailey Brows curriculum that focuses on eyebrow theory. Now, according to Webster's Dictionary, a theory is a set of ideas that is intended to explain facts. Basically, a theory answers the question, why? Now, you have theories that are attached to almost everything in the world, including things that are more creative or artistic. Let's take a painter, for example. You may have a phenomenal creative painter, but in order for that painter to go from being ordinary to extraordinary, he or she must understand color theory, which means understanding which two colors are complementary to each other to bring that creative form to a masterpiece and make that masterpiece appealing to the human eye, because that's just how we see color. Same thing goes for the beauty industry. Now, oftentimes I hear the art of eyebrows, or eyebrows are an art form. However, I truly beg to differ. Brows are definitely a science. Now, once you remove all of the art off of your face, which is considered makeup artistry, you are left with bare bone anatomy. Eyebrows are a part of hair growth, which is a part of physiology, which is a part of anatomy, which is a part of science, which is backed by theory. Now, eyebrow theory has been a lost form that hasn't really been taught in educational sectors in the beauty industry. They're not in textbooks, merely because a lot of people don't really understand it. But again, since I'm an eyebrow expert, I fully understand it, and I'm here to bridge that gap between beauty and science and fill in for the eyebrow theory. Of course, in my classes, you will definitely learn the art of eyebrow as well as the business of eyebrow. But the core will definitely be the theory of eyebrows for you to fully understand how the eyebrow operates and then take that knowledge and then grow from it. There's a true difference between an eyebrow artist and an eyebrow expert. And that difference is eyebrow theory and Inga Bailey Brows Academy. Classes will begin March of 2018. If you're interested in taking classes or you have any questions, please visit my website at www.ingabaileyBrows.com or feel free to message me at inga@ingabaileyBrows.com. Hope to see you in class. Have a great brow day. Bye-bye.